How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification Gmail account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your phone number not verified problem. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google app and tap onto your initial on your top page. Here tap on Manage your Google account. Then you will see a page something like this. Under here, tap on Personal Info tab. Then scroll below to your phone number. Now, as you see your phone number, first of all, if you are not being able to verify it, go ahead and remove this phone number from your Gmail account. To do that, tap onto your phone number. Then tap on the trash icon just beside the edit option. Now go back to your Google account homepage and tap onto your phone number and add it again. And once you have done that, that will fix your verification problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.